And action! Yeah, so this is a Honda Shift solenoid. I don't know what it does, but on my Accord that has 300,000 miles that I still have, and on a Legend that I bought in Pittsburgh for $127.50, the transmission was flaring between gears. So I might have read online that you can clean these solenoids. So it's real simple. You remove it, just tap it with a hammer, don't mangle stuff, clean it up thoroughly before you take it off with lots of brake clean and air pressure, because you don't want dirt going in here, because dirt is a transmission's enemy, as is a lead foot. So all you do is you put power to one side of this little clippy thing here. Just get some junkyard wire. Just put power to one side. Just stick that in there, real crude, and then you ground the solenoid, and if you listen to it, it clicks. And that's opening it up. And how do we know it's opening? The fluid normally goes in here. That's why there's a screen. But I'm going to go backwards because it's easier. So if I spray brake clean in there from Walmart, $1.94, nothing comes out of the screen. And if I hit the solenoid, all of a sudden, fluid comes out. And if I let go of the ground, it stops. Kind of hard to see, but you have to take my word for it. So you just actuate it a few times. And if any metal has collected inside here, because there's a magnet in here and it'll attract hard metal or ferrous metal, you can get rid of it. So I'm spraying in the return port to the transmission, nothing's coming out of the screen. I'm going to ground it. And whoops. You got to do the other one. You have to do the other one. Yeah. Yep. What do I do here? Yep. That one goes to there. Oh, there we go. It's so rusty. The rustiest part of the whole car. So when you click it, it opens, lets fluid travel through, whatever that does in the transmission, don't ask me. So if you spray, nothing goes through the screen. You hit the solenoid by grounding it. Now it's open, energized, closed, open. Whee! And there's how it works. Yahoo!